Hi, I'm Jordan and I run Scout, and today I'm going to show you how to load a template into your Scout account. Let's get going. Your name. Ooh, I've got a lot of options here. Let me pick one. Larry Lancaster. That's a good name. Email larrylancaster@gmail.com, and password, don't tell anyone, 12 monkeys. Yes, I don't use that password anywhere else. All right, let's create an account. So Scout's setting us up with a brand new account for us to design postcards, send, track them. You can do all sorts of cool stuff in Scout. Once we create an account, we're going to be able to create a postcard here, and that's where we'll be able to select a template. Great. So we're getting going. There's only one button to pick, so let's pick it. New campaign. Here's the trick. Click Browse Templates. And then you can see all of the templates that are available to you. So you pick the template you want. It'll load the preview so you can see what this template looks like. And then you click Use Template. And now it's yours to edit. Change it in the text. You can change the images, the offer here, change the QR code location. The world is your oyster. If you have any questions, I'm usually trapped in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Thanks so much for trying out Scout. Bye.